Shubhisco Biology. Now we are going to the part number 15 of the biological classification. We have previously studied about the sexual reproduction in the bacteria, like that the conjugation, transduction, transformation. Okay, now today we are going to the new bacteria like the eubacteria, it's a true bacteria or a cyanobacteria, and we can say that the BGA, BGA, blue green algae. Okay, clear. Let's see. First, vegetative and reproductive cells. Which type of vegetative and reproductive cells are present in eubacteria or BGA means non-flagellate cells are found. Vegetative cells and reproductive cells are non-motile. Because of that, absence of the flagella. Okay, now next cell wall, and the cell wall made up of the microfibril further differentiated into the four layer. Okay, next cell wall composed of, generally mucopeptide, carbohydrates, amino acids, and fatty acids. Okay, that all constituents, that all ingredients are uh, joined together with the cell wall. Next, locomotion means absent, but if occur, gliding and jerky type. It's a gliding. अपन generally एक word बोलते हैं गुली खाना है ना, gliding करना, the jerky. So this type of locomotion are present, or otherwise no flagella means absence. Pigment, which pigment presence in this bacteria? Chlorophyll A means for the green. C phycocyanin means blue, and C phycoerythrin for red. Okay. Now next, reserve food. Which products are used as a reserve food in the eubacteria, like that the cyanophycian starch and the cyanophycian granules. That's both are the protein. Okay, sorry, cyanophycian granules are protein, but starch is the component of the lipid. Specialized cell, heterocyst. This heterocyst presence in the filament, like that filament, that's a special type of cell presence in the genus of the eubacteria. That's a filamentous structure. Filamentous structure. These heterocysts are responsible for the nitrogen fixing, environmental nitrogen fixing cell. Okay, the main function is the special cell heterocyst. Main function nitrogen fixation. Vegetative reproductions by the cell division, normal cell division, fragmentation, any part of the, when any part broken and broken part then develop into the new organism. Asexual reproduction by the endospores, we already discussed about that. Exospores to be discussed, echinates to be discussed, nanospores to be discussed in further classes. Okay. Sexual reproduction is the completely absence in eubacteria or cyanobacteria or BGA have haven't sexual reproductions, means sexual reproduction is completely absent in BGA. Now next, that's examples of the filamentous structure. That's examples of the different types of the BGA, blue green algae or eubacteria, like Oscillatoria, Arthosporia, Nostoc, Anabina, and Rivularia. Let's see here. These three organism, these three eubacteria are responsible for the nitrogen fixation. Why? Because of that, having a heterocyst, heterocyst, heterocyst. But these two bacteria are not involving in the nitrogen fixation because of that absence of the heterocyst cell. That's a special type of the cell which are utilized in the nitrogen fixation. Clear that? Okay, good. That is the Oscillatoria and Arthospora. And second, Nostoc, Anabina and Rivularia. तो होप सो आपको ये क्लियर हो गया होगा. These examples are the very important in concern to the board, CBSE board, ICSE board, and as well as the medical examination. Second things, all eubacteria covering a gelatinous material known as the mucilage, having the having all eubacteria have the outermost layer for the outermost layer for the outermost layer, बोलिए जरा, outermost layer for the attachment form of the gelatinous layer. Okay, भूलना नहीं है. And the special type of cell presence in the Anabina and Nostoc. Anabina and Nostoc presents the echinate. That is the reproductive structure. We already told you. Okay, in previous slide. Surely. Now next. Occurrence of cyanobacteria. Where is found of cyanobacteria? Where is the major habitat of the cyanobacteria, eubacteria or BGA? Like in fresh water, which bacteria, which cyanobacteria presence in the fresh water, like the Oscillatoria and Rivularia. Okay, in marine water, Trichodesmium and Dermocarpa. Here, terrestrial, Oscillatoria and Nostoc means that Oscillatoria are also found in both environment like that freshwater means aquatic and terrestrial habitat. Anabina like that grow as an endophyte. Endophyte means grow in a organism, in the body of the organism, in the thallus of the Anthroceras. What is Anthroceras? Means the bryophyte structures. Okay. Leaves of the azolla. What is azolla? Azolla is the pteridophytes, means that the Anobina is some species of Anobina are grow as endocytes, sorry, endophyte in the bryophytes and pteridophytes. Bryophytes is the Anthoceras and pteridophyte is the azolla, leaves of the azolla. Remember that. Nostoc in the root of the cycas means the gymnosperm, means some species of the nostoc are grow on the root of the cycas. Cycas is the gymnospermic plant. Nostoc, Scytoma, Galeocapsa and Coprococcus grow symbiotically with the fungi and lichen. Very important. Some species, yes, some members of cyanobacteria show a symbiotic relationship between fungi and the lichen with with the cyanobacteria, like that Nostoc, Cytonema, Glaciocapsa, Crocococcus. Okay. Next, Nostoc and Anabina. That's a very important bacteria for the nitrogen fixation. Like that. What is the nitrogen fixation? Nitrogen fixation increase the soil fertility. This bacteria are involved, are important for increase of the soil fertility. Clear? ओके गुड वेरी गुड. ऐसे पढ़ते रहना, बहुत अच्छी जगह से आओगे. और समझ में नहीं आता है, वीडियो को पॉज करें एंड रिवाइंड करें एंड अगेन लेक्चर को अटेंड करें. ओके. नेक्स्ट, thallus organization. What is a thallus? Means that the thallus is the structure, thallus, that type of structure, that is the thallus. Thallus, filament, more filament are come together form the mycelium, or mycelium exactly called the thallus. Thallus means that never any plant body, any organism never differentiated into leaves, stems and roots. This type of structure is known as the thallus. Thallus organization. What type of thallus organization? Okay, now next see, maybe unicellular and colonial. That's the unicellular form. Firstly, maybe oval or spherical. Oval and spherical, both conditions are present in the unicellular form. Like that, example, Galeocapsa, Crocococcus and Nicococcus या Syncococcus भी अपन इसको कह सकते हैं. Colonial form, which type of colonial form? After cell division, when any filament of the cell division remain attached by the cell wall. Means suppose ये है, ये डिवाइड हुआ, 2 2 2 4 4 2 and more than more. So like that, dividing from after dividing condition, all bacteria like that, means in form of the together. Because of that, after cell division never detached, means attached through the cell wall. There are two types of, first non-filamentous and second the filamentous type of the colonial form. First non-filamentous type. Non-filamentous type like that divide alternatively or in the three plane. Like that, non-filamentous, filamentous structures nahi, that's a filamentous, like that's a filamentous, and non-filamentous like that, so and so. And non-filamentous conditions are divide alternatively or in the three plane, means same, first, second and third. That's a forming a colonial form. Look like, okay. Form the spherical. When this type of alternative type of division in the filament, the cells form spherical. Example, Gomphospheria. Second, Coleosphaerum. Cubical, cube shape form, Eucapsis. Alpine. Square, square की फॉर्म में Merismopedia. Irregular shape में Microcystis. Okay, so all are examples of the non-filamentous type. Hope so. Are you clear? Correct? Great. Next, the filamentous type. Filamentous type means repeated cell division in the one plane. repeated cell division in a one plane means a single row of the cell are formed. That's a single row of the cell. That's like known as the trichome. That's the structure is the trichome. Example, Oscillatoria, Spirulina, Orthosporia. Okay, trichome covered by mucilaginous and gelatinous structures form filament. Single trichome when single trichome presence in the filaments, example oscillatoria and ligma, yeah, ligbia. Okay, now next, several trichomes means hydrochloius, microchloius, and unbranched means unbranched type of the uh, trichomes like the oscillatoria, ligbia. Huh? Second, branch diphthallus condition, Mastigocladus limullosus, and false branch means never true or never form a true branch. Like example, Cystonema and Tolipothrix. That's all examples of the filamentous types of the यू बैक्टीरिया. होप सो आपको ये पूरा क्लियर हो चुका होगा. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें. ओके बाय.